Now I will explain the endocrine system in the brain. First, we got the hypothalamus, located deep inside the brain. Its function is making basic body functions, such as eating, drinking, controlling the appetite, controlling sleep cycles, and it does it by regulating our hormones. It does it with the help of the pituitary gland, which is directly connected to the hypothalamus. This pituitary gland controls the activity of most hormone glands. And we also got this other pineal gland, which is in charge of regulating our sleep cycles based on the amount of light we receive. It works by releasing melatonin, which makes us feel sleepy.
Now, thyroid. Thyroid is one of the largest endocrine glands in the body. It consists of two connected lobes, and it is located in the front of the neck. The function of the thyroid is the secretion of three main hormones: thyroxine, thyrotonine, and calcitonin, for the control of the body's metabolism. It is composed by right and left lateral glands, isthmus, and thyroid glands. Now, thymus. The thymus is a cervical-thoracic organ extending approximately from hormone C6 to 3T. You can see it is a little odd, and it is medianum, like this. It is located at the base of the neck and in the interior part of the upper mediastinum. Their functions are the secretion of hormones with immunomodulatory effects, action on the formation of lymphocytes, and the immunity functions. The external parts are top and bottom ends, right lobe and left lobe. And also, his external parts are, this is how it looks, are the interlobular stepon, the capsule, that this is the internal part, cortex, and semicorpuscle, and the medulla. This.
In my 3D model can be seen two parts of the endocrine system, the pancreas and the adrenal glands. The hormones that the pancreas has are somatostatin that inhibits the secretion of endocrine pancreatic hormones and endocrine enzymes, glucagon that increases blood glucose, and also has insulin that decreases blood glucose. Finally is the pancreatic polypeptide that stimulates the secretion of gastroenzymes and inhibits the secretion of pancreatic enzymes and the release of bile. Next, in the adrenal gland is the cortex, that is this part, that has the hormones of mineralocorticoids that increase sodium resorption and potassium excretion in the kidney, that increase the blood pressure. Glucocorticoids that regulate the metabolism of carbohydrates, lipids, and inhibit the immune response. And last is the weak androgen that provides masculinizing of fetus. In the other part is the medulla, that is the part that is inside of the adrenal glands. It has the hormones of adrenaline that stimulate glucose hepatic, increase respiratory and cardiac frequencies, and noradrenaline that stimulates vasoconstriction, which increases blood pressure. This is all of my 3D model.
Hi, I'm Oscar Alvar, and I will talk about the ovaries. The endocrine system in charge of administering hormones, and it has many organs, but the one I will talk about will be the ovaries. The ovaries are found joining the fallopian tubes, the ends of the reproductive system, and the border of the uterus. They are the female cell glands that are responsible for secreting female hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen prepares ovulation, intervenes in the metabolism of fats and cholesterol, lowers blood pressure, distributes body fat, protects bones, and, together with androgens, stimulates libido. Progesterone allows the implantation of the ovum in the endometrium, that is the inner wall of the uterus. It is the hormone responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics in women, and it serves to maintain the pregnancy.
The testicles are part of the endocrine system. It's composed of 5 main parts. The main one being the testis is where the sperm and hormones are produced for the male body. In this case, its main hormone produced is the testosterone. The epididymis is another part is where the sperm is stored, and then it's taken from and it travels to the penis via the ductus van deferens. Also, there is a testicular artery, which is the main one that its purpose is to supply blood and oxygen with nutrients to the testes. Also, there are the pampiniform plexus, which its main purpose is to cool down the blood to maintain a temperature for the testes.